Best practices when receiving your watch. Following these steps ensures you document the watch's full condition upon arrival. It not only confirms that everything is in order, but also provides valuable proof in case you ever need to make an insurance claim, protecting your investment with confidence. Step 1. Film the entire process in a bright, well-lit area. A smartphone with good image quality is enough. Step 2. Keep the package visible on camera. Show the exterior from every side before opening. Step 3. Unbox carefully and display each item included: the watch box, manuals, warranty card, tags, extra links, or accessories. Step 4. Present the watch in detail. Capture the case, bezel, crystal, crown, pushers, caseback, bracelet, and clasp. Step 5. Test the functions on the camera. Set the time, change the date, wind the movement, and check any complications like a chronograph. And remember, a few extra minutes of recording can give you lasting peace of mind.